Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super tired. I have shot few of the reels today and it was an exciting day. So yeah, I have little tired face, but let's not waste time. I need to post a review video about the product which I have been trying since a week. So let's start with the video. First, I want to introduce to this amazing facial cleanser which is by Kamaayurveda Rose Jasmine Facial Cleanser. So let me tell you, I'm very picky about my facial cleanser because my skin rejects like essay. Like my skin will definitely give me a reaction on next day if it doesn't suit my skin. And I have been trying this since a week and it's perfect. Now talking about how it feels, it's like a water-based consistency, and if you are a person who has super dry skin, this is perfect for you because this doesn't dry out your skin after you have washed your face. You know, there are face wash jo lagane ke baad you feel super dry. This won't let that happen. It is an hydrating face wash, facial cleanser, and it is perfect for your daily makeup. If you apply makeup, and if you don't apply makeup, still it's gonna work perfect because whatever daily dirt which you have on your face which you need to clean or like deep clean, this will definitely help with that. You need very little amount of it. I'll show you the demo also while my video is playing. Obviously I'll keep on putting on the videos and the clips how this face wash works. For my skin type, I personally like a face wash which gives complete feel of, like, you know, my face is washed, but I don't want my skin to be dried out because my skin is super sensitive. So this face wash helped me for the hydration, and for a week I switched only this face wash for my actual face wash which I use on regular basis. By far there is no acne, nothing on my face, so it's perfect. This was also included with my regime, so I was not scrubbing my face regularly in this week, but in 2 days, in the gap of 2 days, I used this beautiful scrub. Oh my god, this is my favorite scrub. Like, I can rate this product, I guess so 7 out of 10, but this gets 9 out of 10. This is so good. I definitely would highly recommend. If you like, this is for every skin type. Like if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, if you have combination sensitive, this works. Like I told my dad also, my brother also, all have tried this product. You require a little bit of it, but it goes a long way, and it is a gentle scrub, not like super harsh. Like, you know, when you use scrub, it's like super, you feel very bad. So like it's like a regret कि मैंने क्यों अपना face रगड़ दिया. This won't give you. It's very calming, it's very soothing, and like you need very little, and it smells good. Oh, I love this. As you can see the texture, it has scrub beads, you can see, but it's very gentle, so you don't need to worry about that, and it brightens your skin whenever you scrub your face. As I will always say, please make sure you do the test for your skin and your skin type because every skin is different. This both product didn't affect me, so I'm a person like every product shows results on my skin instantly. Like next day I can see does it suit me or not, but few people have issues with that, so you should obviously test any product whichever you use. But I think so this won't be any issue because it's complete Ayurvedic and it's completely safe. Likewise, I will let you know about what it helps with. So it helps, its claim is for the complexion, smoothen fine lines, renew cell growth. So I'm really gently scrubbing my face. As you can see, I am moisturizing my face here a lot. Actually I do this in bathroom while my shower, when, you know, the pores are open, while getting the hot shower. But for this the demo purposes, I had to do it here. So I'm just using a little bit of water. I'm just using a little bit of water every time, and you need very little of amount of this scrub. It's very gentle, you don't need a lot of it, and yeah, just work on the areas where you have blackheads or whitehead issues, and go on smoothly. You have to be very gentle. So it's been few minutes. I have been scrubbing my face very gently, and I think I'm done. So I'll just wash my face with lukewarm water, and then I'll do my skincare routine usually, which I do. I feel super duper smooth. Now, recently I am more into chemical exfoliation. If you all are aware about that, I do hyaluronic acid on my face. That works very fine with me because physical scrubs tend to dry out my skin, and it doesn't work for my skin type. I am very particular about my products which I use, so it's very difficult for me to try another product and give a review about this. But Kamaayurveda is a very trusted brand. I can surely and assure you, if you want to invest in a good brand, you should do in this. I hope this video was useful for any of you if you're looking out for a good facial cleanser or a gentle scrub. I would highly recommend Kamaayurveda. No doubt, hands-on, amazing product. Personally, I would recommend more the scrub because this gave me better feel results, whatever I require in a scrub. Like, it's perfect for me. Likewise for facial cleanser, I didn't like it that much, but it works. It didn't show any reaction on my face, so yeah, it gets a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. You can put your money in it and you won't regret it. I can assure you about that. If you want to know more about the products, all the details will be in the description box. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more reviews and amazing content. Bye guys. Bye. More reviews are coming up. New products I'm trying out for my skin type, and that's my mama. YouTube video છે.